This is, when I tell you, the best hair tip, hair trick, hair technique that you can use, especially if you have fine hair. Now, when it comes to fine hair, you can have a little amount of hair or a ton of fine hair. That means that the individual strand is just very, very fine, okay? But you can still have a ton of it. Doesn't mean you're losing your hair or nothing. But I've noticed that finer hair texture has a tendency to just want to lay flat all the time. So check this out. You are going to love this. Say, for example, it's towards the end of the day or in the middle of the day, or even you wake up in the morning and your hair is it's flat and you wish you could use something that is an easy, quick fix. Your hair is very, very easy to style, but you go like this and it just flops right down. You don't want to put paste or any sort of product like that's, any sort of wax, but you want something, okay? Something that could be a very, very unique product that could actually last in your hair at least for a day or two and give you volume, thicken your hair, and be a great problem solver. Ladies and gentlemen, you know this one and you love this one, Tidal Wave. It is my #1 selling product in my line. It's my sea salt spray, and this is a miracle spray. So check this out. I always suggest that you shake it up just to mix the ingredients together. You want to shake it up. And this is on dry hair. Yes, this makes an incredible pre-styling spray if you want to get that volume from the blow drying process, but watch this. So if you've got very, very fine hair, it just falls down like this. This is 100% dry. I'm going to take the product and I'm going to spritz it, maybe, I don't know, one more, 4 or 5 spritzes or so on the hair. Watch what is going to happen. Yes, it's going to dampen slightly, but here's where the magic happens. So what I'm doing is I'm running my fingers through the hair. And what that's doing, it's actually absorbing into the hair, and you're gonna start to feel a little bit of that kind of sea salt texture. And what the sea salt spray does, and what Tidal Wave does, is it actually binds the hair together to create a thicker, fuller look. And as you could see, you could even work the product in like this. As it's drying in your hair, what's happening is it's acting like a dry shampoo with hold. Okay, it's pulling the hair together. You're getting all this volume and texture. It's giving you that thicker appearance, and all within literally seconds. Okay, I'm trying to do this while I'm have the mannequin facing the camera. So I'm gonna do it this way. And I mean, literally, it's like a miracle. All right, it's a miracle product. You can mold it, you can shape it, you can add some texture to it. Look at all the volume we have in seconds. No gimmicks, no tricks. Literally just working my hands through it, and now you've got all this volume throughout the top here, okay? And if you want to use more, then use a little bit more. It really just depends on you. Spray it right down on the scalp, like this, and work it through. You want to get that volume down and through here, then that's where you spray it. Wherever you want it, you spray it. It's great for evening, it's great for midday, it's great if you come home and your hair is a bit on the kind of dirty or greasy side. This actually soaks up the oils, and it literally is like a dry shampoo with hold. So as you absorb this into the hair, it's going to be damp, yes, a little bit, but it will absorb very, very quickly, especially if it's on fine hair. And you could try to mess your hair up, and you could see what's happening. Right? It's literally drying live and real time. Look at all this volume. And yes, it's going to be a little damp at first, so you don't spray as much. Maybe spray, 2 spritzes. Or you can take the blow dryer like this, right? If you really want to do it fast, take the blow dryer and literally within seconds, all right, you blow dry that in, and all of a sudden, we now have all this volume in the hair. Volume, thickness, fullness. Yes, it's going to feel like you've got almost like a powder in the hair, right? But that's because this is what it's supposed to be doing. This is what you need to keep that style throughout the day. I mean, look at that. This is insane. So if you are interested in purchasing Tidal Wave, okay, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Literally, it's all over the internet. It's my #1 selling product in my brand. I'm so passionate about this. And also, I sell these blow dryers too. It comes with the nozzle right here and a diffuser. So it's great for travel. Use code YouTube20, shop.thesalonguy.com.